Hello students, warm welcome to all of you. Now in this module we are going to discuss one of the very important and interesting topics of geometry, that is chapter 10 circles. And in this chapter, according to our CBSE curriculum and in NCERT textbook, there are only 2 exercises are given with very limited number of problems, but you will have to explore more in order to solve the problems given in board examinations. Let us see what kind of problems given in 1 mark problems. From an external point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 12 centimeters. Let us draw a small figure according to the given problem. This is a circle and this is from an external point Q. For example, this is a point exterior to the circle, that is Q. The length of tangent to the circle is 12 centimeters. Let us draw one tangent. This is a tangent. This is the point of contact, which is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. And the distance of Q from the center is 13 centimeters. So for example, this is a point O and let this point is P. This is what is the distance of the point from the center, which is going to be, how much is this? Is 13 centimeters. Then what are you asked? You are asked to find out the radius of the circle. Is this not the radius? So radius of the circle is equal to how much? So here if you observe, radius is always perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. So this is what angle which is equal to 90 degrees. So if that angle is equal to 90 degrees, then basically the triangle is right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. But what is hypotenuse in this triangle? Hypotenuse is the side opposite to right angle, that is OQ. So we can say that OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square, right? Now substitute the given values. OQ is equal to 13. So 13 square is equal to OP is radius, so radius square plus PQ is equal to 12 centimeters, so 12 square. Clear? 13 square is equal to 169. Transpose 12 square this side, it would be minus 12 square. 12 square equal to 144, which is equal to R square. What is 169 minus 144, which is 25, is equal to R square. Then R is equal to plus or minus 5, but radius cannot be negative, so that radius is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is the way of answering this problem. But see, not just providing the answer for 1 mark. So if it is given for 1 mark, please try to provide every single step which is required, because according to marking scheme, the steps may consist of marks. So that is why please try to provide all relevant steps. Coming to the next one, QP is tangent to a circle with center O. So for example, this is a circle with center O, and QP is tangent to a circle O at a point P on the circle. So for example, this is one tangent, okay, at a point P, so that this point is obviously Q, right? If triangle POQ is isosceles, POQ is isosceles, it means I will have to join this and I will have to join this. POQ is isosceles, then angle OQR is equal to what? QP is tangent to a circle at a point O, circle with center O at a point P on the circle. If triangle OPQ is isosceles, OPQ is isosceles in the sense it is right angle, right? If it is right angle, then the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, so this is hypotenuse. So according to triangle properties, hypotenuse should be the longest side of right angle triangle, so that this side cannot be equal to any one of the sides, so these two sides must be equal. If these two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them are equal, so this angle is equal to this angle. Since it is a right angle triangle, one angle is already 90 degrees, then other two angles sum is equal to 90. Since both of them are equal, so this is 45 degrees and this is also 45 degrees. Okay, so then angle OQR is equal to what? It is not OQR, it is angle OQP is equal to what? Okay, that is angle OQP is equal to what? This is what is the problem that is given. You understand? See, this kind of problems, try to understand the situation so that you can easily answer the problem. So coming to the next one, here it is in the figure. O is the center of the circle, PQ is chord and PT is tangent. at a point P, which makes an angle 50 degrees with PQ. Then what is angle POQ? See here in this, there are two things which are equal. They are, this is right angle, what is this? This is OQ and this is OB, both are radii. Let me draw this figure once again so that you get a better idea. So there is a circle, okay. And this is the center of the circle as it is given, which is O. And there is a tangent given. So this is, for example, the tangent, right? So this is the tangent to the circle. And this point is P and this point somewhere it is Q. So these two are joined and these two are joined. Since this is radius and this is radius, both are equal, and this is joined, this angle was given. See, this angle was given as, what is that? 50 degrees. So this angle is equal to 50 degrees. If this angle is equal to 50, then what is this angle? See, this is tangent and this is radius. So tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So therefore, this angle is going to be 90. It was already 50, so that this angle is equal to 40 degrees. If this is 40 degrees, obviously this is also 40 degrees as it is radius, both are equal in a triangle, so that it is isosceles, so that two angles are equal. Then what is angle POQ? POQ is equal to how much, means this angle is equal to how much? Since it is 40, then how much is this? 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. 180 minus 80 is equal to 100. So your required angle is going to be 100 degrees. You understand how to answer the problem? So if you apply radius is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact, then this entire angle OP, whatever this point is T, OPT is equal to 90 degrees. It was already given 50, so the other part is obviously 40 degrees. Since this is radius, this is also radius, so that it is isosceles triangle, the two angles must be equal. It is already 40, so this is 40, so next angle should be 100 degrees. Next, another figure is given there. So in this another figure, let me draw this figure again. Okay, this is a circle, this is center of the circle. Okay, center of the circle is equal to O, and there is a tangent drawn. Let this be the tangent, okay, drawn to the circle. And this is what you can call as secant of the circle, if I am not wrong. This point is P, it was O already, it is R and it is T. This point of contact is T and these two have been joined. See here, this is radius, this is tangent, of course it is 90 degrees. Now let us see the information given. Circle of radius 7 centimeters, so this is 7 centimeters. Tangent PT is drawn from a point P such that PT is also given as 24 centimeters. If O is the center of the circle, then the length of PR is dash. What is the length of this PR? In order to find the length of PR, I would like to do one thing. This is radius, right? This is 7 means this is also 7. So this is also 7. But the only thing that is not given is X. Okay? That is only the point that you need to find out. Right? So here, this point is O and this was 7 obviously. I think we can find out the value of X by applying Pythagoras theorem. Because here it is a triangle OTP, this is right angle, this is hypotenuse, this is one side, this is the other side. So that hypotenuse square is equal to, means x plus 7 whole square equal to, x plus 7 whole square is equal to 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square plus 7 square. X plus 7 whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 7 equal to 14x. 24 square is equal to 576 plus 7 square. Here 7 square and 7 square gets cancelled. Okay. So x square plus 14x is equal to 576. I would do one thing here. X square plus 14x minus 576 is equal to 0. Right? It is a quadratic equation. Now in order to find the value of x, I will have to factorize this 576 in order to get 14. So what are factors of 576? I would say 24. 24s are 576, right? Yes, it is. Fine, I will go by factorizing that. Here it is 2 times 2 2s are 4, 17, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 times 144, and again 2 times 2 times 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. See, I will have to get two numbers whose difference is going to be 14. In such a way, I will have to factorize. Okay? So, and then it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 36, because 36 2s are 72. Now this is 2 times 2, 4, 4, this is 16 and 36. 36 minus 16 is going to be 20, but it is 14 still. So it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 1 more 2 times 18. How much is this? This is 32 minus 18. 32 minus 18, what is 32 minus 18? If I say 32 and 18, 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Yes. So my numbers are 32 and 18. So I would say that x square plus 32x minus 18x minus 576 is equal to 0. From these two I can take one x common, then x plus 32 minus 18 common, remaining x plus 32 is equal to 0. So finally I get x plus 32 is one factor and x minus 18 is one factor equal to 0. X plus 32 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 32, but side cannot be negative, length cannot be negative. X minus 18 equal to 0, x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 means what? This only length is 18. What do you want? You need to find out the length of PR. Therefore, PR is going to be, PR is equal to 7 plus 7, 14 plus x. X is equal to 18. So what is 14 plus 18? PR is equal to 32. So this way we can answer the problem easily. Coming to the next one, if the angle between two radii of a circle is 132, this is a circle, angle between two radii of a circle is 32 means, for example, this is one radius and this is one more radius. This angle is going to be 130 degrees. Then what is the angle between the tangents at the endpoints of radii at their points of intersection? So this is what is one tangent, this is one more tangent, this is what is the angle that you require. Observe here, this is the angle between the tangents and this is the angle between the radii. Then these two angles are supplementary. These two angles are supplementary. Since these two angles are supplementary, x plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 180 degrees minus 130. What is 180 minus 130? Which is going to be 50 degrees. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 50 degrees. Next, if the radii of two concentric circles are 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters, two concentric circles means circles with the same center are said to be concentric circles. This is one circle and this is another circle. This is what is the center of both the two circles. First circle radius is equal to 4 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters. And another circle radius is equal to 5 centimeters means this total one is equal to 5 centimeters. It means this is 1 centimeter only, no? Right? So then find the length of each chord of one circle which is tangent to the other circle. So if you draw a tangent, this is the chord of the bigger circle, let it be AB is the chord of the bigger circle, and AB is the chord of the bigger circle and AB is the tangent to the smaller circle. So you are going to find the length of chord. What is the length of this chord? In order to find the length of the chord, you know, radius is perpendicular to the tangent. This is what is the radius of the bigger circle. It was given 5 centimeters. So in this right angle triangle OMA, in triangle OMA, angle OMA is equal to 90 degrees. If angle OMA is equal to 90, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Therefore, 5 square is equal to 4 square plus, let it be x, this is also x, right? 4 square plus x square, right? 25 is equal to 16 plus x square. Therefore, x square equal to 9. X square equal to 9 means x is equal to 3. Means this length is equal to 3. What about this length? Obviously that is also 3. Therefore, length of the chord AB is equal to 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 centimeters. You understand? That is the way of answering the problem. Coming to the next one. In the figure, PA and PB are tangents. Okay. There are two tangents drawn from an external point of a circle. These two are two tangents. PA and PB are two tangents to a circle with center O, such that angle APB is equal to 50 degrees. APB is equal to 50. So this angle is equal to 50 degrees. Write the measure of angle OAB. OAB is equal to how much? So this angle is equal to how much? So in order to find this angle, let us join this OB also. And we know that angle P plus angle O is equal to 180 as they are supplementary angles. Angle P plus angle O is nothing but AOB, this angle. Angle O is equal to 180 degrees as they are supplementary. Angle O is equal to, angle P is how much? 50 degrees. So 50 degrees plus angle O is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle O is equal to 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degrees. So this angle is 130 degrees. And observe this triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, OA is equal to OB. Since OA is equal to OB, therefore it is an isosceles triangle. Since it is isosceles triangle, then this is x and this is also x. So x plus 130, that is O is equal to 180. Clear? So 2x is equal to what? 180 minus 130. 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degrees. 2x is equal to 50, x is equal to 25 degrees. Therefore, this angle is going to be 25 degrees. You understand? Right. Coming to the next problem. What is the length of the tangent drawn from a point 8 centimeters away from the center of the circle of radius 6 centimeters? Again, circle, and this is one point external to the circle, and this is the tangent drawn. Let this point is equal to some P. What is the length of the tangent? We do not know what is the length of the tangent. Let this point is A and this is center of the circle is O. From a point 8 centimeters away from the center of the circle, so this is 8 centimeters. And the radius of the circle is equal to 6. This is 6 centimeters. We know radius is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. Therefore, here, this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. 8 square equal to 64 plus 6 square, this side it would be minus 6 square, that is 36, is equal to x square. So what is 64 minus 36? 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, and 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, which is equal to x square. So x is equal to square root 28, 7 4s are 28, right? So root 7 into root 4 is equal to 2, 2 into root 7 centimeters. So that is what is the length of tangent drawn from an external point to the circle. You understand? So hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. 8 square equal to 64, 6 square is equal to 36. 64 minus 36 is equal to 28. And then square root 28 is equal to 28 means 4 7s are 28, 2 into root over 7 centimeters. See in this problem, in the figure PQ and PA and PB are tangents to a circle with center O. Angle AOB is equal to 120 degrees. Then find angle OPA. OPA is equal to how much? So it is quite simple problem because we are dealing with only this kind of things. These two are tangents and this is the center, right? So this entire angle is equal to 120 degrees and it is joined to the external point. Let this point is P and this is A and this is B. See, according to the properties of these tangents, lengths of tangents drawn from an external point of a circle are equal. These two are equal. In order to prove this lengths of tangents drawn from external point of a circle are equal, we proved these two triangles are congruent. So since these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT this angle is equal to this angle. Since this total angle is equal to 120, this is divided into two angles, that is 60 degrees and 60 degrees, because that is 120. it is 60, it is 90, then obviously this angle is equal to 30 degrees. If this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. Now what do you want? Find angle OPA. This is O and this is P and this is A. Therefore angle OPA is equal to 30 degrees. So this is what is about, short answers or very short answers given in this chapter circles. So please explore in this about the tangential properties and chord properties and all, so that you feel pretty much easier. Hope you understand, enjoy the class. Thank you.